Hi, I'm Nash, Mayvenn Certified Stylist. Are you thinking about trying a weave for the first time? Well, here are some tips and tricks so you feel a little bit more comfortable trying something new. If this is your first time getting a weave, ask yourself the following questions. How often should I book maintenance appointments to care for my hair underneath my install? Do I know how to properly shampoo and condition my hair extensions? What kind of weave is best for my lifestyle? When choosing your Mayvenn hair, think about which texture is going to work for your desired look and maintenance level. Before your appointment, make sure you come prepared with any questions for your certified stylist. We're here to help. During your appointment, your stylist will choose the braid down pattern that works best for your chosen install. A solid foundation is key to any great weave.